This is the Rode DS2 desk stand. It's a new desk stand released yesterday, I think, by Rode. And, well, I'm going to show you how I unbox it, how I put it together. I'm going to compare it to the DS1. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's connected to a video mic Go 2. Yeah, as well as the PodMic USB. They're all connected directly to my phone. The audio you hear comes directly from this USB cable into my phone, as well as the sample I'm going to show you with this. I usually make content about pigment, about making paint, about colors. This is a little sidestep. I've done it before, but I'm also, showing gear that I use to make paint, as well as content about paint and pigment. So here it is. Hope you like it. First, let me do the unboxing. So when you want to mount something like this video mic Go 2 to it, it didn't really have a hinge at all, whereas the PodMic does, and you can put it on a vertical stand and it just moves. This one doesn't. So this comes in really handy to change the angle. Whereas with DS1 you didn't really have an option for it. And like I said, with the PodMic, it really isn't an issue at all. But the way that this just swivels two sides makes it so much more versatile, and it's more portable as well. I mean, I like the logo design dot on it. It feels a lot lighter, but it also looks more sophisticated, I think. I like it. Like I said in the previous video, I'm not an expert when it comes to microphones or tech gear in general. I'm very interested in it, in the topic, and I'm very happy to be able to buy something like this. It's really a high quality product. I'm not sponsored by Rode. I'm just, very happy to be able to buy something like this. And I've been looking for this instead of this for the portability of it. So I wanted something more portable for podcasts on the go, for instance, or anywhere I go and I need to take something more serious than just my phone and a little microphone. I wanted something that was sturdy enough and something that looks good, because you eventually see it on video as well. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helped you a bit with showing you what it looks like and what you can expect out of the box. for my other content, check it out. It's about pigments, like I said before. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.